All right, everyone, welcome back for another episode of Carnivore Trades. Today is the Sunday night market prep. It is January 12th. So for the week of the 13th, it is OPEX week. We're going to try to do this in 5 minutes or less. Let me know in the comments if you like this format. I'll try to keep it 5 minutes anyway. And again, don't forget to come find me on carnivoretrades.com for swing trading alerts, analysis, and live day trading. Hey, let's get into it here this week. Let's just cover the levels here and a few things I want to talk about. So first of all, Head and Shoulders is now technically triggered. We never triggered it here or here. By my standard, you got to close below the neckline, and we finally did Friday. So Bear's finally doing something. The first time they've ever done anything since right here in August, right? This is the first like actual daily lower high that's confirmed with lower lows and close especially. We did close below the key levels I've been giving out for the last couple of weeks, 58.70, 58.50. So we've definitely damaged here. We've definitely done damage. Important overview though, triple Qs have not done any damage on the weekly. Zero. So keep that in mind. Bulls still have that to hang their head on. And honestly, on the weekly SPY, not really damaging either. I mean, we closed a couple ticks below the 20 MA, big deal. So technically, on the bigger time frames, we're not broken yet. But we'll entertain this Head and Shoulders now. And I want to look for this right here. So if we just take this down, I mean, it doesn't really get too cleaner than that, does it? Right to the 200 MA. And if we zoom out, you can see this trend line right here. So that would overshoot it by a little bit. And if we look at the ES, if you follow that, there's another one right here, right? There's the 200 MA. And if we just do that, we can look that it lines up right there. So either or, I'll probably be looking to maybe bid both of those for day trades, but those are levels that I think can get hit. I think right now, bottom line, the bull case is kind of shot right now for new highs. The only thing that changes that is it did gap us up during Globex Sunday night, and we gap above, we close above 58.70. If we do that, I think you get a mega squeeze. At least back to, close to that 6K handle. And possibly you break that, we're going to new highs, period. So that would be kind of the bull case here. But my kind of thought is, I don't know. I think they're going to flush this down Monday, maybe into Tuesday. Yields are up. People are kind of panicking. And we have CPI CPI Wednesday, PPI Tuesday. So those are two big events that people are going to be hedged for. So we're going to see a lot of put buying, I think, ahead of that. The positive here is I don't think we're going to go that far. When I say put buying, I mean it. 0.1 put call as of Friday, the day before, 1.73. So this market is really worried about downside. And when that happens too much, you get squeezes. Additionally, percent of stocks above their 50 moving average is in the basement. Last time we saw that was the lows in 2023 when this bull run started. So I think maybe a little bit below here, down into the 57 handle. By the way, do not bid this gap fill unless you want to get killed. But this area here, 5675, 5700, I think is pretty good. Another area here that kind of lines up. I predicted this kind of scenario here, but you can see the previous high, 500, whole round number QQQ. There's a crap load of interest there for Friday, OPEX. And I predicted this scenario could be a thing. Back here on the second, we could bounce up, go to the high, put in a lower high in the RSI, then dip down to 500, maybe pierce the 4-hour 200 MA, 495, 496, go 4-hour oversold, then a big squeeze. So right now, my kind of lean is down before up, just because the bears finally proved it. I said to my members Friday, I said, look, this is first down, second down, third down. This is fourth down. Bears got to break it down here. Otherwise, we're just going to rip back up. So if we had this squeeze here, if this followed through, I mean, we would have ripped higher, ripped higher. So Bears finally did prove it, and that's why I'm kind of thinking down before up. I would not bid the gap fill. I did a whole video on this of why filling the gap is not good. But regardless, I think we can go lower. Now, on the upside, yeah, we break 58.70. Yeah, then everything I just said is you're out the window. So 58.70 and 585 SPY, right? There's your squeeze level right there. 585 is a dealer level as well. We break either of those. I think we're going to rip. Outside of that, we've been looking for these lows here. So anyway, just over 5-minute mark. Let me know if you guys like that. Quick format here. I just want to cover the levels really fast, get into a few key points, and get everybody prepped for the week ahead. So anyways, you guys take care. Come find me on carnivoretrades.com, and I'll see you guys all on Monday.